Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some more Louis Vuitton to unbox.
So this is the box, how it looks, with all this beautiful blue Louis Vuitton everywhere it says. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, so let me show what exactly I got here. So I went to Louis about 2 days ago and I got some items there. So in this store it was Louis Vuitton at Soho, New York, and I got this item and the strap that I showed in previous video, the strap that I got specially for toiletry pouch 26 that I also got the same that day from Bloomingdale's location. So I went like several locations and finally got all items that I want from 3 different locations basically. So let's take a look at this one. This is the classy Louis Vuitton dust bag, as like every item goes in this one, so it's like usual thing. And this is what I got. I got Speedy 25. Yeah. Okay, so dust bag is quite big, just like from any other Speedy that is bigger size, for example. It feels like the same material. So let me open this one and show what it is and how it looks. So basically what I wanted to say first, I had Speedy 35 in classic monogram and I enjoyed like for literally few times I took it out like few times, yeah. So, and it was really big for me. It was a huge bag, I would say. It's always like all like breaks down because it's always kind of empty because I have no like so much stuff to carry with me all the time to wear it. So I took it like for traveling once, then it was full, and basically it just was remained in this dust bag forever. So I sold it last week on Mercari website where I sell like a lot of my all of this designer stuff, like all this Burberry, Gucci, Moschino and stuff like that. So, and I sold my Monogram Speedy at 35 last week and got for myself this one because I was sure that I need something smaller, and I was eyeing 25 size for quite a long now and decided, why do I need two the same literally bags? I mean the same kind with different size, even if my Speedy 35 always just stay on the shelf and I never take it out. So basically I decided, okay, it's time to sell that one and buy something else, and I decided to go with this one, the Damier, because all this durability, you know how durable all this handles here. It's not vachetta levers that it's always getting darker and getting spots visible and all this stuff, because my one was super careful, and I even specially bought for this one, for these holders, specially bought like covers, very nice, and I sold it all together. In my handles was very actually in a good condition because it always was in this cover, so that's why I basically sell it for very good price, and I'm super satisfied that I did this, and I'm so happy that I bought this one because I'm tired of classic monogram, and now I have this Damier, as I believe it's called. So, and I so much like the new style of the bags because it's kind of like, it's not like glittering like usual, it's very soft and matte and like matte kinda. So I so much like it, and here is also very smooth and soft, not shiny or anything like this, and I do much like it very much. So let's take a look inside. Okay, so we have this pouch with I believe the lock. Yeah, it's supposed to be a lock. I already forgot about this because when I bought my previous bag, it was new, completely new, and unworn, but it was from Tradecy website, and it wasn't like from Louis Vuitton directly or something. It was from someone who just didn't use it, just the same as I didn't use this bag. So, and I didn't get this lock was already on this side, then I got my previous bag, but here I see completely different experience, so it goes separate and I like it. Okay, look at this gold, it's so cute. I mean, it's so new. It's not gonna be that forever because it's really gonna be seeing some scratches on it, I'm sure for it, but okay, who cares for the lock. Okay, I guess, yeah, I'm gonna put it here. Yeah, it's supposed to be on that side. Yeah, think so. Let's try. Okay, and it's ready. Yeah, because over here I don't see anything. Okay, so look at this. This gold lock looks so cute on this bag. Hopefully I'm not gonna scratch it soon, but it's very, very shiny and bright, and it looks like if you touch it you're gonna scratch it. But okay, so I so much like this bag because it's more durable than just regular Monogram. And actually Monogram, regular, this one, they all super like forever bags, like they call it indestructible, and I do believe it because this Monogram canvas is very, very durable. And I like that I don't have any vachetta leather here. All this trim around the back, as you can see, it's all this brown leather, just like on this, on the front, over here, everywhere. So all this side, it's all just brown leather, and it's very good for me. I don't like much of vachetta now because if you put like any water, it's gonna be spot on there forever or something like this. I did care for my previous bag with vachetta, very, very, very careful. I always had my baby wipes and wiped it down like every time I use it, and it was in perfect condition. But this one, you'll have no worry about to do anything because it's very much indestructible bag, and I so much like it. Okay, so inside, let's take a look inside. Inside it has red canvas, I mean, yeah, canvas, I think. So this bag is made in USA, as so many items from Louis made right now, they basically most of them made in USA. For example, for last, I got 3 items. I got this one, I got strap, and I got toiletry pouch 26. About toiletry pouch 26 I already made a video before this one, and about strap as well. And all these items were made in Paris, so I was lucky to get some items that were made in Paris, but I don't care. I see a lot of people worrying about where this bag is made from, like, and sometimes they see it's made not from Paris and they return it, but I don't see any point on that because it's still the same Louis Vuitton, but just factory from US, which is not a bad thing. It's not factory from China or something, so I'm sure it's a real thing, and it's all what I need to know, basically. Okay, so this is how it looks, and this is so gorgeous. I so much like, I never had anything from this Damier pattern, so all items that I have from Louis, they all is Monogram. So I wanted something different, some different experience like this one, and I so much like it because I got this toiletry pouch 26 I got in Monogram. Actually, I guess Monogram is the only option for toiletry pouch because I didn't see any other like this one. So since I got that one in Monogram, I decided this one I want to be something different, but in the same time something classy, because I'm not really a fan of Louis Vuitton leather items. I more prefer Gucci by that point. So, and here I want something exactly like kinda that's gonna be vintage someday if I'm not gonna sell it, of course, but it's very likely, because when I tired of some items I just go on Mercari and sell them. Okay, so is for example right now I already doing couple items from Gucci that I'm put on sale, on listed there. Okay, so I also missed to show the pocket here. So this is like regular one, like in all new Louis Vuitton bags they have zip here, and I believe in vintage ones they have just open space here. So but I like it, so I'm gonna put some cards here because it's super small. It's not gonna fit anything else except for probably some cards or maybe headphones. Okay, and inside is very roomy. I so much like, and just to make sure it's gonna stay in the same shape and everything gonna be to be on the safe side and stuff, I'm gonna use this how it's called, airbag. Yeah, I'm gonna use these air things from Amazon and just gonna put them inside, so my bag this way gonna keep its shape. And okay, so this is it, I guess. I cover all the aspects of this bag, and the only thing I didn't say yet, I guess, about the price of this item. So let me okay, so I got them all together, and this one is usual price $1,140 for this one. I was thinking to get it with a shoulder strap, like over here that some styles has. So, but it's like really incredibly big difference in prices between this one and that one. So this one is like $1,140, and the other one is $1,650 or something. So it's like 500 more just for strap. No thanks. I have a lot of straps, and especially I just got a Louis Vuitton strap, and I think I just gonna use them. Plus I got these things, and I'm gonna just put them like this, and I just gonna add them here, so I can put like strap from that side, like from that side and here, and I'm gonna make it like strap here, and this way it's not gonna always keep this handles up. So in this case they're gonna just lay down and it's gonna be here. So it's perfect option for this, because in my previous bag I always suffered when I put them here with strap, it always goes up and it's not really looking good. So, and for this reason I got these guys from Amazon. I got them and they actually just perfect size. I didn't expect it. I thought maybe I will have to buy another one or something. And as well I got this thing because I do want to save my bag as long as possible, and I got this thing for, I just need to figure out how to cover these handles. So, and I got this little scars for it, and this one like in bluish, this one pinkish, I'd say. Okay, so I have like 5 different. For some reason they don't sell the same colors. I mean, if I want both handles be the same color, they don't have such options. So I decided to just pick 2 of these colors and make it. So they have like, as you can see, actually they made very well, and it was just $5 some cents for them from Amazon, and it's literally like 1-day delivery. So I really like how fast they came. So let me try. So when I first saw them, I decided to make these two, like this blue and beige and this black one. I just gonna make them to work on each handle. So, and it should work very well, and they look very nice. And quality, actually I didn't expect that good quality for $5 item, so I very much like it. All right, I think this is it. I hope you enjoy unpacking this beautiful, amazing Speedy 25 with me, and please subscribe if you enjoy my content, and I'm gonna post more videos with more clothing unboxing in coming days. Thank you so much. Bye bye.